Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Current temperature 74 degrees. Nailed it. Dew point coming in at 72. A lot of sunshine out there mixed with a little bit of cloudiness as well. Heat index exactly the same as the air temperature, 74. As we head into the afternoon, we'll watch that heat index climb up to around near 100 degrees, I think, today, 95 to 100. 7 a.m. temperature, as we just mentioned, 74 degrees, a mix of sun and fair weather clouds. As we head into the afternoon, we'll look at a few more clouds building and about a 10% chance that we could get some coastal showers. Then as we head into the 3 p.m. time period, 90 degrees with a feels like temperature probably around close to 100. And we'll have that 30% of showers being mostly in inland areas, as those coastal showers drive inland, riding on the sea breeze front, which should move a pretty good distance today. Encouraged by a general westerly wind flow that's developing. That'll be the case right straight through the weekend. The evening looks like it'll be pretty quiet near the coast, but we'll have more showers inland. Yesterday we had showers that generally didn't move a whole lot once they got to our coastline. I mean, they came in from the other coast and then kind of blew up on our coast and didn't move a whole lot, except for a few, like one near Venice. The outflow boundary produced showers that are really now beginning to blossom out here in Gulf waters. They were stronger a little bit earlier on and are kind of in the process of falling apart, but they're still producing a pop or two of lightning as they drift off to the north and to the east. It's not impossible that the outer edge of these decaying storms may bring a brief bit of sprinkles or light rain to areas of Longboat Key, Holmes Beach, or Anna Maria, possibly. But it's really by later on in the morning and into the early afternoon when we have a chance of seeing some showers build along our coastline. At that point, we'll have about a 10 to 20% chance of seeing those showers build. That will be in response to daytime heating. It'll be in response to the moisture that we have, as well as a sea breeze beginning to form. As that sea breeze forms, the better chance of rain will be inland. A couple of places that we'll be monitoring over the weekend, and you'll need to keep an eye on. This area of disturbed weather just off the Atlantic coast has a 50% chance of developing and could just meander out here for a while. Forecast takes it out into the open waters of the Atlantic presently, but there's uncertainty there. And then Hurricane Beryl, the first hurricane of the Atlantic season, traveling on a track that takes it toward the Lesser Antilles as it decays away eventually. But again, there's a lot of uncertainty as to the intensity of that storm as it moves westward, so we'll be keeping an eye on it as well. Southwest wind turns west at about 5 knots, light chop 2-foot seas on bay and inland waters, and the forecast calls for today about a daytime high of 90 with a 30% chance of rain first near the coast, then moving inland, particularly later in the afternoon. And then that same pattern both on Saturday and Sunday with that westerly wind flow. No tropical influence on our weather right straight through the weekend. As we head into next week, we'll keep that 30 to 40% chance of rain in the forecast.